kids, how are you? Now kids, we have already done our block 9 and I hope you all have understood. So now today we will start with our block 10, which is organ systems of our body. I hope you all are very excited to do it. Yes? Okay. Now the aim of today's class is that students will be able to relate organs to organ system. And there are some keywords: organs, organ system, internal, stomach, heart. Now kids, there is one riddle for you and you have to guess the answer. I am like a bag in your body. मैं आपकी बॉडी में एक बैग के जैसा हूँ and I mix up and break down your food after you chew and swallow it. Who am I? आप अपना फूड खाते हैं, च्यू करते हैं and swallow करते हैं और वो फूड आपका यहाँ जाता है. Who am I? Just guess. Yes kids, come on. Yes, it is a stomach. When you chew and swallow your food, it goes into your stomach and it is an internal organ of our body. Yes kids? So what is an organ? Organ क्या होता है? Organ is a part of our body that performs a particular function. Organ हमारी बॉडी के वो पार्ट्स हैं जो पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन करते हैं. उन सब का अपना कोई ना कोई फंक्शन है. There are different organs in our body like lungs, liver, kidney, brain, heart, stomach. These all are the organs of our body, right kids? And they are present inside your body, so we call them internal organs. Okay? Now activity time for you all. I hope you are ready for the activity. Okay, open S1. Observe the picture A showing the parts of the bicycle. You have to open S1 and you have to observe picture A, जिसमें आपको different parts दिख रहे हैं bicycle के. Draw a bicycle by joining these parts in your notebook. Now in your notebook, you have to draw this bicycle by joining the different parts. Now observe picture B of the skeleton. अब picture B को observe करिए आप and write in your notebook how they are similar. And now you have to write how picture A is similar to picture B. Yes. So pause the video. Just write the answer quickly and send it to your subject Guruma through WhatsApp. Right kids? So come on, let's do the activity. Okay kids, now it's a discussion time. How are the cycle and skeleton system similar? अब आपने अपनी एक्टिविटी कर ली है. अब आपने क्या लिखा? How the cycle and skeleton system similar? What is the cycle made up of and what is the skeleton system made up of? साइकिल किससे बनती है और skeleton system किससे बनता है? Let's see. A cycle is made up of parts like pedals, seats and wheels. All of them have different function. सबका अलग अलग function है. Similarly, the skeleton system is also made up of different parts called organs that perform different functions. ऐसे ही हमारा skeleton system भी different parts से बनता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं organs, और हर organ का अपना अपना function है. Right kids? What is an organ system? अब organ system क्या होता है? An organ system consists of a group of organs that works together to do the same work. अब organ system जो है वो बहुत सारे organs को मिला के बनता है और सब organs अपना अपना काम करते हैं और वो एक organ system बन जाता है. Right kids? Okay. Now there are different organ systems in our body. हमारी body में अलग अलग organ systems हैं like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system and nervous system. हमारी बॉडी में ये डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स हैं और सभी सिस्टम्स का अपना अलग अलग वर्क है. लाइक डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम हेल्प अस टू डाइजेस्ट, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम हेल्प अस टू ब्रीथ, circulatory system it circulates the blood, excretory system removes the waste from your body and nervous system it helps in proper functioning of the body. So there are different systems in our body and we will read it further about them. Okay kids? Now one hot question for you. Why does our body need many systems? हमारी बॉडी को सारे सिस्टम्स क्यों चाहिए? कैन यू गेस क्यों चाहिए सारे सिस्टम्स? यस, आवर बॉडी परफॉर्म्स मैनी डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. हमारी बॉडी को बहुत सारे फंक्शंस करने हैं. सो ईच सिस्टम इज स्पेशलाइज्ड टू डू अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ वर्क और हर सिस्टम अपना वर्क करता है. सो द डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स गेट टुगेदर टू मेक द बॉडी वर्क. अब जब सब सिस्टम्स एक साथ वर्क करते हैं तभी हमारी बॉडी काम कर सकती है. राइट किड्स? यस. नाउ आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल. लाइक एट होम, योर मदर कुक्स फूड, योर फादर गोज टू ऑफिस. सो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन योर मदर इज सिक, जब मम्मा बीमार होती है तो घर में खाना नहीं बन पाता तो पूरा घर का सिस्टम खराब हो जाता है. राइट? पापा को कुकिंग करनी पड़ती है, कभी कभी आपको भी करनी पड़ती है, तो पूरा सिस्टम जो है वो खराब हो जाता है. So this is how if any system of our body is not able to work properly, the body cannot work. Okay? अगर एक भी सिस्टम बॉडी का खराब हो जाए तो हमारी बॉडी अच्छे से वर्क नहीं कर सकती. So all the systems are very important for proper functioning of our body. Okay kids? So I hope you have understood about different systems, right? Now kids, just open your S1 which is organ systems. I will explain you the question. What is an organ? Where can we find internal organs? Give some examples. Organ क्या होता है? हमें कहाँ मिलते हैं internal organs? And give some examples. Question 2. What is an organ system? How is an organ system different from an organ? Organ system जो है organ से different कैसे है? Name any 2 organ systems in our body and write the name of some organs present in them. Now you have to write the name of any 2 organ system and different organs present in them. Question 3. What would happen if the stomach tried to do the work of the heart? अगर stomach को heart का work करना पड़े तो क्या होगा? Okay kids? Now complete S1 and you have to share the homework with your subject Guruma through WhatsApp or mail. Right? Thank you kids. Enjoy your day.